Hey everyone, welcome to Mrs. Thiva once again. Welcome to the Facebook page of Mrs. Thiva and YouTube channel of Mrs. Thiva. So, like always, my name is Asta Jain and I am here to help you all. And I bring for you work from home ideas, home business ideas, and business growth tips. सो इसी सीरीज़ में हम क्योंकि आजकल भी यही बात कर रहे हैं कि हम कैनवा कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं, व्हाट इज़ द बेस्ट वे टू डिज़ाइन योर क्रिएटिव्स यूजिंग कैनवा एंड यूजिंग द फ्री टूल्स ऑफ कैनवा मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली for people who do not really are in a position to pay for the paid features. So I'm doing this series of videos to help you all guys. And one of the questions that I get a lot is how to create a logo for your business. So I wanted to first of all tell all of you that okay, before I forget, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, because I know a lot of you like my videos and the messages that I send to you over WhatsApp with links. At times, those links don't work on your WhatsApp to my YouTube channel and to my YouTube videos. So the best solution is to subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the bell icon, and this way you will never ever miss any video from me. Also, you should definitely like my Facebook page, because on my Facebook page I keep rolling out a lot of contests in which you will get a lot of the free services that are about to be paid from next month absolutely free of cost as for the contest winners. So I'll just repeat what I said, that if you like my Facebook page, you will get to know about the contest that we keep running for all our followers, and in those contests you can win lots of prizes, lots of services absolutely free of cost from my site. Okay, so talking about creating logos, I was just telling you how can you create how to create logo for your business using Canva. And here in this video today I will be talking about the free tools that are available with Canva to create your logos. Now first of all, when you start your business, I totally understand that you do not want to spend a lot of money on a lot of things, and you at times are not even sure whether you would want to continue with the same idea or not, or you are just experimenting with it and you don't want to pay 5,000-6,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees to the designer and get your logo designed. So initially the service is very good, and this method that we are going to discuss today is very good for those people who are in experimenting phase. So but you have to understand that logo is very important for your business, and if at all you decide to move ahead with your business, you should get a professionally designed logo. But until you decide about it, and you would want to start at least your business, and you would want to at least get a logo which is of course very important for everybody, then what should you do? Then you can use Canva to create your logo. And how should you do that? So first of all, go to the app Play Store. So this is for the Android phone again. So go to the Play Store and search for the Canva app. So you just have to write Canva and press search, and you will see this logo. So download, just remember this logo as you have to download this app, and then you can after you've downloaded it, you just have to open it, and it will bring you to this home page. If you do not have an account, please create your account on Canva. You can do it from your phone or from your laptop itself. Creating the account is absolutely free of cost, and you do not have to pay anything for that. Now you will be free to use the free tools of Canva or paid tools of Canva. If you use by chance any of the paid services, then of course you will have to pay for the pay the amount whatever it is mentioned there. But otherwise it is absolutely free of cost. Most of the services that I use and I share with you all are free to use, and rest it depends on you whether you want to take the free service or the paid service from Canva. So in the home page, on the home page itself, you will see this option of creating a logo, and if you scroll down, you will see many other options. So wherever you see mentioned a free, on the bottom right corner, that basically particular what should I call, creative would be free for you to use, that image would be free for you to use, but wherever it is not mentioned anything, that means that it is paid. Now it might not be a very very big amount, but you have to decide whether you want to buy that image or you don't want to buy that image. So I am telling you today about the free options. So let's go back to the template for logo, and let's just click it here. So let's design a logo for Mrs. Diva together today, and you can see all the options from here, whatever options are available for you, or you also had categories from which you could choose. So I have clicked on see all, and then I'm just browsing through all the templates that are available here. So some of them are free, you can see at the bottom right corner of the image. So free means that you can use absolutely free of cost this creative and this image, but if it is not mentioned anything, then it is definitely a paid creative, paid image. So let's okay, I like this one. Let's try to edit this. Now if you have any image available with you, then you can use that on a blank logo template, or if not, then suppose I want to use this because I like this bear and it's very very cute. I hope it's a bear only. So let's now try to edit it. So I've clicked on edit, and now let's see what option this Canva is going to give to me. So let's try to edit this text over here. Let's write Mrs. Diva, and then let's try to reduce the font size. So it is 85. Let me try to reduce it so that it comes in all in one line, and you can see so it has allowed me to do that editing. And then I guess I might be able to change the color as well of the text. So you're not getting a lot of freedom and you're not getting a lot of editing options in this, but at least it is something that you can start working with. So I have changed the color. Let me try to change the, okay, so I can change the size of the image. So I have increased the size of the image. See, it is allowing me to do this. It is also allowing me to change the color. I like pink color. Let me just take a pink color, and then I can also change the font of the text. So it has now changed the font of the text. So these are the basic things I guess that you can do with this thing. Let's just try to see if I can add any sticker to it. So let me try to, okay, but I will not be of course adding a gif kind of sticker to it. So let me just try to add some illustration to it. So let's try to add any icon. Okay, so because Mrs. Diva is all about ideas, let's use this light bulb. So I've used this light bulb, and now I'm changing the position, and let's bring it here. And so you have added the illustration as well here. And do you want to write, if you want to write anything else, or if you want to add any image, I guess you will be able to add image also from the image gallery. Or yes, so this is your phone's gallery. If you want, you can add any image also. So let's see if I want to add this, if it will yes, okay, so it has changed to my background. If I want, I can delete it. If I want, I can keep it. So see, it has, so that image of Mrs. Diva, I have deleted it. If you want, you can keep it. If not, so let's say if this is what I want, then I'm just going to download this on my mobile phone. So my logo is ready and it has been saved. And let me just go to my gallery and see. Yeah, here, so it has allowed me to download it, and I have not paid anything. I can use it anywhere I want, and this is how I can use Canva, free tool of Canva, to create my logo. So I hope this video has been very helpful for you guys. Please let me know about whether you would like me to do a video about any other topic related to Canva, and how did you like this video. If you have any more questions, please feel free to ask me. I am always available on WhatsApp. I always respond to the comments on the YouTube section, and I always respond to the Facebook messages as well. And until we meet next time again, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page for all the latest updates. Bye bye, everybody, and take care.